Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today I'm colouring up this beautiful image by Enys Guerrero and it's called Mushroom Top. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, I've printed this one on Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper and I got this image from Enys Guerrero's Facebook group. It was a free image that was available for an event that they've got going on in there at the moment. I'll pop her all her links in the description below. I am not sure if this image is still available. It was only available for a limited time. It was also available to patrons, so if you're a patron then you should be able to get it on her Patreon page there as well. I hope that you enjoy this speed colouring. I really had a lot of fun with it. I used Pablo pencils and also I used Copic markers for the underlayer or base layer of the image, and it was lots of fun to do, and I really enjoyed playing around with the PanPastels that I use in the background at the end as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I look forward to doing some more of Enys's images soon, and I will see you guys in the next video, so sit back and enjoy this speed colouring. Before you do that, make sure that you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also, you can click the little bell if you want notifications when I upload new videos. If you would like to see the full video, I do have a two-part video available on my Patreon page with full commentary. I've also done a color conversion chart from Pablo's to other brands of pencils and also from Copic's to other brands as well. So if you're interested in checking that out, make sure you check the link in the description below as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those things, and also my Facebook group. So I will see you there if you're there. Otherwise, see you next video. Bye guys.
you.